Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Apple ID on your computer online. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Apple ID on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address icloud.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed over here on the home page of iCloud. Now if you remember guys, your Apple ID finishes with icloud.com, and with that being said, click on the sign in button over here, and here it says the sign in with Apple ID. To further proceed, enter your email address or your phone number of your Apple ID and click on next over here on this button, and then this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to enter your password of your account guys. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, you can simply click on this button or this arrow icon, and then you'll be logged into your Apple account from over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your Apple account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.